Hey lads, TechScanning here. So at this point we know that the Xiaomi is all set up to launch its next flagships, the Xiaomi 13 series. The brand is scheduled to launch the handsets on the 1st of December, but because of some reasons, probably the death of the former Chinese president, the company postponed it and now they will be launching it on the 11th of December. However, now even before the launch event, we got hands-on images of the Xiaomi 13 vanilla model showing impressive looking flat edges of the device like the latest iPhones. And as the company mentioned before, the phone has very thin bezels around the screen. And to be honest, it is looking the best front design with a flat screen that any phone has so far. The handset is said to have a 6.36 inches E6 AMOLED display panel with 120Hz refresh rate. There is also the official teaser images shared by the company's CEO showing the leather-like texture on the back of the phone alongside the square-shaped rear camera island with rounded edges. However, there will be both the leather rear panel and the glossier variant. The Xiaomi 13 will hold 3 camera sensors which include 50MP main, 12MP ultra-wide and 10MP telephoto sensor. Further, a promotional video of the Xiaomi 13 series just posted by the Xiaomi shows the benefit of the innovative nanoskin technology used for building the back of the phone. So according to that, even if you coated the back panel with ink and different paints, you can just clean it with a paper towel. And this is indeed a crazy tech. Not just the Xiaomi 13, earlier we also saw a short hands-on video of the Xiaomi 13 Pro that will be launched alongside the standard Xiaomi 13 model. However, what sets them apart that the Pro model will feature a curved 6.73 inches 2K resolution display and a better camera setup including a 50MP Sony IMX9891 sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide and a 50MP telephoto with 3.2x optical zoom. Xiaomi already showcased some samples suggesting very competitive or even better results than the current top flagship phones like the Galaxy S22 Ultra, Pixel 7 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. The most special part of the Xiaomi 13 series that all will be equipped with the IP68 water and dust resistant. At this point, we know that the Xiaomi 13 lineup will be backed by the top-notch hardware like the latest and the greatest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, the fastest UFS 4.0 storage and LPDDR5X RAM. Xiaomi's CEO claimed to offer a super optimized phone that will outperform the current battery king iPhone 14 Pro Max. And to support his claim, he shared a screenshot of the DOU test which provides the battery endurance score based on the typical day of usage, where you can see Xiaomi achieved a higher score than the iPhone 14 Pro Max. He further claimed that the Xiaomi 13 can run Genshin Impact, a cross-platform graphic-intensive game at full 60fps without overheating the device, meaning the temperature will not go beyond 43 degrees while playing the game and the device will deliver the consistent performance. So we can say the Xiaomi 13 series is shaping up to be a great smartphones, and it will be interesting to see if the company keeps up with their claims, especially the battery backup. Anyway, the good thing we don't have to wait much, as the launch event is almost here, the 11th of December. Let us know what you think about the Xiaomi 13 series in the comment section below. And that's it for today. Do consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell button. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.